Morning, Jason Lewis, Coda Development, here on site at our project in Lakeland, Florida, Valencia at the Park Apartments. Today is April 6th, and I'm going to give you a tour of the progress we've made over the last couple weeks, so let's go check it out. There's a few things I want to point out that have been completed since I was here last. As you can see, I'm walking on a recently poured sidewalk. And now we have all the exterior paint done around all of the buildings, which looks really nice. Another detail you'll see is that the gutters have been installed around all of the buildings. And with the paint, you get to see some of the nice details, the corbels that have been installed. The current plan is to pour the asphalt parking lot here in a couple weeks. I believe around April 15th. So that'll be exciting to see get completed. Here along Orange Street, we're waiting for the balcony railings to be fabricated, which have been delayed, and we're expecting them to be completed April 22nd and installed shortly after. We're also waiting for the step railings, which haven't gone into production yet. So hopefully we'll have a date on that soon. As you can see, here's a nice day at the park. A lot of family activities going on. Here you can see the appliances have been delivered and installed. This was done about a week ago. We also have the washer and dryers. Some of the units in small C have the sinks and faucets installed in the kitchen and bathrooms. Haven't got to this building yet. So there's your snapshot of the progress we made over the last couple weeks. I'll be excited to see where we are when I'm back in town about 2 weeks from now. So until next time, stay classy.